Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Garth from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with sand yellow for his jeans and hat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt base coated with dark sea green. In the artwork, it looks like he's wearing a jacket, but in the sculpt, he seems to be wearing a waistcoat. And since the sculpt is more like a waistcoat, I decided to paint the sleeves the same color as the shirt. For the waistcoat and leather parts, I went for a base colour of Paladin flesh. Getting the exposed skin done, I went over all of these parts with sunny skin tone. With the skin now done, I got the bandana done with Leviathan blue from Two Tin Coats. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Getting started on the highlights for the waistcoat and leather parts, I grabbed leather brown, went over all of the raised and flat areas. To push the jeans and the hat more into that creamy colour the artwork has, I went over them with Grimy Grey, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses. For the highlight on his shirt, I went with medium sea grey, just over all of those raised parts of the folds. All of the metal parts get a quick once over with Surcoat Silver. Getting the wash done, I washed the entire mini with Archaic Sepia wash. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Garth. I think these sleeves will be in the same color as the shirt is the correct way of doing it. It just seems to work with this sculpt. The artwork probably has just been miscolored. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.